Welcome to my channel. Today we're making delicious blueberry buns with crumble. As always, for new viewers, please subscribe. Hit the bell to stay updated with my recipes. You'll find the ingredient list in the video description. Let's start by preparing the dough. In a bowl, add flour, half a cup of warm milk, 1 yolk, 1 egg, 4 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and the risen yeast mixture. For that, we need 40 g yeast, half cup warm milk, spoon of sugar, spoon of flour. Mix and let it rise for about 10 minutes in a warm place. Add this to the dough and start kneading. Once combined, add 80 g of melted cooled butter. Knead until smooth. The dough shouldn't stick to your hands. If needed, sprinkle a bit of flour. Let it rise until doubled for about an hour. Then take it out, knead briefly, and divide into roughly 12 pieces. Equal parts. We need 450 g blueberries, a spoon of powdered sugar, and a spoon of potato starch. Mix it all. Flatten each dough piece in your hands, put in a bowl, then add berries. Add as many as you can fit, then seal it well. This formed, place on a baking sheet lined with parchment, seam side down. Cover the buns and let rise again for about 15 minutes. Then brush with beaten egg white. To the white, I added 2 spoons of milk. We used the yolk in the dough, now the white. Then finally add the crumble. Crumble recipe is in the video description. Bake for 15-20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Top and bottom heat, no fan. When done, dust with sugar or glaze and enjoy. They're delicious. I recommend you try making them.